Hey guys, welcome back to Growmore Tech. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make an account on chess.com. So you guys should have a browser open up. I am using Chrome currently, and you would like to type into the search bar chess.com. So you're going to get this screen, and on the left side of the screen right here, you're going to see sign up. So you want to click on that. And then you're going to sign up. So you can continue with Google, Apple, Facebook. Personally, I'm just going to sign up with like a new account. And it's just going to ask you new to chess, beginner, intermediate, advanced. You can do anything. I'm just going to do new to chess. And then you're going to need to put in your email and your password. Okay guys, so once you have entered your email and your password, you're going to want to put in your and then guys, if you want to just send it to your friends, you can do that, but I'm just going to click later for now. So guys, I got this screen. I'm not sure if you guys are going to get it, but it's just an ad promotion that they do. It's 1 week free, then $120 a year. So personally, no thank you. So yeah, there we go. Get notified when it's your move. This is probably just a notification when it's your turn to move in the game. I'm just going to do no thank you. And yeah guys, you should have your account now. You can play 10-minute games, new game versus computer, play a friend, and all this cool stuff. Thanks a lot for watching guys, and I hope you have a fantastic day.